happened?
Hiccup just threw some clothes on the floor.
What a mess.
Huh? What?
Yeah,
Did Hiccup got this?
I think so.
Oh my God. Hiccup! Uh-oh, Hiccup dog on my sock.
Such a silly little elf.
Wait, no one else. Get my sock. Oh my God. Hiccup, give me my sock back.
How? We'll get it. Relax.
What?
We'll get it after.
Why?
Remember, you can't touch her.
I can be very careful. Mom, I can't be very careful.
Can you?
Yep.
No, it's okay. Just leave it.
Why?
You want to clean up this mess?
Yeah.
Alright.